President Emerson Mnangagwa has been roasted after spending the whole New Year celebrations with a criminal and businessman Wycliffe Chivayo. Zalipina mashuka kuda panguva ino uchonekwa kunzi pane mapictures ari kusevuleta atanda pasocial media uchonekwa kunzi the president paanga ari pama New Year celebrations ari kuzhisha vane and whatsoever where they were celebrating the New Year ana Wycliffe Chivayo. People have questioned kuti Wycliffe Chivayo anozikanwa kuti mabusinesses ake haasi transparent but anoonekwa achiassociata napresident. Zvaraise questions. Don't forget to subscribe or like it on the bell icon. BBC inobudanyira chiti checkpoint. The war president spent his New Year with a criminal. Zimbabweans should stop expecting anything good under the leadership of Emerson Mnangagwa. The old man seems to enjoy hanging around with the criminals. Zimbabwe needs new leaders. Thomas Katagwa ne BBC News panguva ino. Panapa vanobuda tipinda macomments vanobuda chikomenda vanyora vachiti so Mnangagwa forced the late Mugabe out of his role, but Zimbabwe people are afraid to take Mnangagwa down. He is showing his people the middle finger and now associating with criminal lords. Mwanopinda vachiti our national thief with his best friend. Mwanopinda vachiti no innocent person spent a minute with a criminal unless in court. He is a worst criminal. Zimbabweans only learned to memorize, not to reason, and Mnangagwa and Mugabe maximizes on that. Okay, compare Mnangagwa and Mugabe and identify criminals who surrounded Mugabe with those surrounded by Mnangagwa. You will see that it was a frying pan into the fire. A whole state house turned into a house where corruption deals are brokered. Thus, true president and corrupt tight businessmen without tax and their business income don't mix how it's only about tender deals and smuggling minerals. One was imprisoned and the other expelled. They are criminals who are partners in crime before the ouster of Bob. Unofunga kuti president vanoswera newe shuro here, vanoswera nemabusinessmen anenge vanase Wycliffe yekuti kana kukanzi kumusha kwako kwaita mafloods chero nhasi chaiye vakabata Wycliffe kuti batsira vanhu muromo umwe titende hedu. Ndo mashuka anobuda chikomendo nemumwe ndo maresponses anopiwa nevanhu after BBC yaburitsa nawo idzi. Kana kumesa section medu dzofungira aim kuti kudi pamusoro pechitiko ichi. So subscribe or like chitomba bell icon.